So hi everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel, Bramble Reed. Now this week we are going to be making a paper mache cup, which is a succulent holder. For the best creative DIY and fashion content, subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I post a video every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts and fashion for you to join. Now it's your turn. Hey guys, so this week we are going to try and make paper mache glasses. When you're doing the cup and you put the saran wrap, make sure that it's a small amount that's on it and make sure that it's flat, okay? Like that one. Okay, and then push it through this end and make it tight and you are good to go. And then remember, one of them we're going to put a base on and the other one we're not going to. Okay guys, so for the glass bottle, what I've done is I do have the saran wrap, and make sure that your saran wrap is tight at the bottom. What I found best is to avoid holes in your, like if you want it smooth, always flip your paper mache over and then have this side closest to that, so that when you wrap it, the flat side is what's being seen. So what I did is generally I go like this, go like that to see if it's gonna fit. If I need to flatten it out more, which actually I do, if I need to add more, or you can go here. Oh, I can do it this way. So I'm going to do it this way. And I'm just going to do one more roll just to make sure that everything's okay. Okay. And the other thing is you want to make sure that you don't have any of those cracks. There you go. There you go. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lift up this portion. We're going to mount it down. Now remember, your bottom part, you want it to be able to fold over. So you want a lot of room at the bottom. Then the other thing that you want to do is you want to roll this portion up. I smooth it out with my hand, and then I also mark it so that I know exactly where I want to cut that off. Comment down below if you're enjoying these tutorials on paper mache decor. So these are finished. Now I did have a little bit of trouble. This first cup, I took it out when it was partially dried, so I was able to get it out okay. I waited too long. This was hard. It was ready, it was completely dried, and it really was a struggle to get out. So what I did was, essentially, because you have the saran wrap in the middle of the cup, I boiled hot water, placed it in the cup. Once it sat for a bit, I went through and I took a thin stick that I have, and I just poked different areas of the cup and then pulled it and it came out. So make sure that you pull these cups out when they're dry enough that they're not going to break, but not fully dry where you won't be able to get it out of the cup. So I did two variations. I put a base on one, and the other one, what I did was, instead of leaving the top portion like this, I came along and I just took out pieces like that all the way around it. And then I also took a scissors just to cut it, because I wanted one size and then a smaller size and a bigger size. And then I took some of my blue paper mache and put it around the rim, the outside. Now my friend did suggest that I go like this, so it didn't like take, but it was a nice start. And then I plastered more where I wanted this to go. And this is cool because you can just put flowers in it. Now that you know how to make the paper mache cup succulent holder, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you take that creative juice out of your head and put it onto a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, don't forget about my Facebook page, where you're able to upload different DIY crafts, fashion content, even interior design. you can check out the link in the description box. Check out any of the videos in my paper mache playlist and my upcoming videos on how to create a succulent bed out of paper mache. If you like these videos, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to share it with your family and friends.